In ancient China, more than 5,000 years ago, the dawn of silk fabric emerged, ushering in a remarkable tradition of luxury. Silkworms, through their complex cocooning process, bestowed upon the world an exceptional fiber, one that would transform the essence of sophistication. In numerous Asian countries, the skilled cultivation of silkworms evolved into a refined craft, with each cocoon harboring the promise of sheer luxury, an extraordinary creation in progress. Astonishingly, this luxurious fabric originates from modest beginnings: silkworms. The process starts when a female silk moth deposits up to 400 eggs, initiating this exquisite journey. 2 weeks later, the eggs transform into larvae, ravenously devouring fresh mulberry leaves, expanding their body weight by an astounding 10,000 times, eventually reaching a length of approximately 3 inches. As the larvae enter the pupa stage, they secrete a liquid raw silk from their salivary glands. When exposed to air, this liquid hardens into a fine thread. The pupa expertly wraps this thread around itself, creating a snug cocoon. Typically, the pupa would transform into a moth, tearing through the cocoon. Yet, to maintain the unbroken silk thread, a careful method is employed. The cocoon is boiled for around 3 minutes, halting the moth's emergence. Boiling the cocoons not only maintains the silk thread's integrity, but also eases unwinding by dissolving sericin, the protein that holds the thread together. Gathering this luxurious silk entails pulling threads from 30 to 50 cocoons simultaneously. These threads are then expertly wound into a hand-operated reel, forming a stronger, singular thread. The resulting threads are remarkably thin, approximately 1/100th of a millimeter in diameter. Consequently, it requires about 3,000 cocoons to generate merely 1 pound of silk thread. The delicate silk threads, now gathered together, are weighed down with sand to improve manageability. Following this, they are washed, bleached, and meticulously dyed to achieve the desired vibrant colors. To achieve the ideal color, exact control of dye concentration, water temperature, and soaking duration is essential. Once dyed, the threads are hung up to dry and prepared for weaving into fabric. Using a traditional hand-operated loom, experienced weavers transform this delicate silk thread into fabric. Bobbins holding the thread are passed horizontally through vertical threads, weaving a captivating tapestry. Another device wraps the threads around spools, and workers skillfully place a predetermined number of these spool threads, arranging them vertically on the loom. Each intricately designed pattern requires thousands of these vertical threads. With each press of the loom's foot pedal, the weaver raises alternating vertical threads, skillfully guiding a shuttle carrying the silk thread horizontally. This meticulous weaving process creates the stunning silk fabric cherished by all. The weaver employs different shuttles, each laden with threads of varied colors, thicknesses, and textures, weaving mesmerizing patterns that turn silk into wearable masterpieces. Silk tells a tale of modest origins, expert artistry, and enduring grace. This journey started millennia ago in ancient China, and still enriches our lives today with unmatched beauty and refinement. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another episode.